So, how do you eliminate a significant amount of waste from a business? What do you actually do to achieve that? Well, I get asked that question quite a bit, and so I thought I'd shoot a quick video to step through a client example, so that people have got a clearer idea of what's possible in terms of improvement in their organization. So we worked with a precast concrete panel manufacturer down here in Victoria. They make customized panels, so complex shapes for the construction industry. And the owner, let's call him John, was just had a gut feeling that they could be a lot more productive in the way they operated, but didn't know exactly where to focus on or what to do. So he called us in. Now, the first step for us to take was to map out the processes and take a good look at some data to find out where time and money was being wasted. Now, every panel was custom, and so it took a different amount of time to produce for each one. And being connected to the construction industry, demand fluctuated, pretty significantly. So it wasn't immediately clear as to what was happening. But after some good analysis, we were able to figure out that the bottleneck was happening at one step in the process, which was the formwork area. Now, there was about 3 times as much labor required to do the process step there than all the other process steps. So they were constantly waiting. However, because things were changing so often, number of panels, amount of time worked, seasonality, it wasn't immediately clear. But that was absolutely where the productivity of the entire company was being constrained. So we really had to focus in on there. Now, the first thing was to look at the work that was being done there. What could be allocated to other steps? What could we do before? What could we do after? And then, what was interrupting that? Were we stopping to fetch materials? Did we have to stop and check design details? Et cetera, et cetera, So we did really targeted process improvement at that step to eliminate waste. Because that's where the entire business's operation was being clogged up. As a result, the client was able to achieve a 40% improvement in productivity, and that translated into a 40% increase in revenue for the business, which was a pretty massive result. Okay, so if you have any questions about that, or you'd like to share some similar experiences, that'd be great. Pop a comment in the box below. Thank you very much.